Okay, I think this is the last starter pack I'm allowed to buy. So fingers crossed we get something good here. Let's open him up and see. Oh yeah. Okay, let's open it up. Number one, common sixes, Shake Milton. Okay. Block. Uh, I don't know how. I guess that's a highlight. He did technically block it. Not a big fan of that one. Let's look at the second one. Hey, Frank Ntilikina. Well, that's a nice block, but not a big fan of his game. I thought he was still in New York on the bench. I guess he got traded. Pretty good defender, but okay. Not a good start. Fingers crossed for the third one. Let's see. Jazz. Hassan Whiteside. It's a block though. Well, that's a pretty nice block. He's a big boy. Alright. That's it. Pretty disappointing pack. Especially considering that's the last one I can get now. Alright, now I'm going to do some shopping. I think what I want to do is I want to go around and have a look, find some players I like, find some moments I like. I'm not going to spend too much money. I think I'll start with LeBron. I could be wrong, but I think everybody still sort of takes advantage of what he's doing, how long he's going to be around. So in the next couple of years, presumably, possibly, he'll be out of the league. At that point, maybe his highlights blow up. I don't think I'll be buying this one. $96 at the moment. One of them chase downs. Ooh wee. Still doing that. That's nice. I won't get that one today. What else we got here? On bargain hunting, I'm not trying to spend hundreds of dollars. Some of these are pretty hard to resist looking at though, like this here. $900? Damn. Oh, that's the classic. Run it back from the 05-06 season. Young Braun. He could fly. He still can fly. That's pretty nice. All right. Stop looking at ones out of my price range. Let's go back to the top. Here we go. $5. That's more like it. See what we got here. It's a common, but like I said, I'm more looking for the players and the moments at the moment. Yeah, that's nice. You got so high still. We'll grab this one. I've got such a terrible collection at the moment. I just want to add some nice ones to it. Make me feel a little bit better. Alright. You see here I could buy with Ethereum or Flow. I don't actually own any Flow at the moment, but alright. Added to my top shot squad. Boom. Nice pass, nice dunk. It's my first LeBron. Very happy about that one. $5. Good price, even though it's common. Alright. Who else do I want? I'm thinking for similar reasons, Zion Williamson. Zion obviously only played 2 seasons so far. What, 80 something games in total? No shortage of highlights in that time, but he keeps missing time. Oh, that's nice. 400's a bit steep. He keeps missing time, and what if he's not around for much longer? These highlights, huge dunks, huge blocks. short-term career life possibly. Love this big boy. I'm going to pick up a Zion today. It's the same. If there's any, 21,000. Looks like there's a couple commons at the top in my price range. Let's go the cheapest. Let's see what we got here. Spin. Oh. It's crazy how big he is and how he can fly. 27 points a game last year on 61% shooting. 7 rebounds. Crazy. I've got to grab this. Like I said, just in case his career is short-lived. Fingers crossed that is not the case. That would be terrible, but I have some bad feelings sometimes. Sat out all year. Alright, we've got that one now. That's my first Zion. To add with the LeBron I just got, that's the second moment I feel good about, honestly. That's a nice little spin. Alright. Who else do I want? I've been watching some of this Memphis-Minnesota matchup in the playoffs. It's been a weird matchup, but I think Anthony Edwards has taken a bit of a leap. I guess different reason to Zion and LeBron. It might be a good investment to buy some Anthony Edwards moments earlier, in case he becomes a superstar, which is looking like he might do. Oh, that's nice. As you can see, I got a soft spot for the big boys. Well, here we got a game versus what do you call it? Game recognized game. Let's see what it's KD. Let's see what he's got.
Anthony Edwards, one of the most athletic players we have in our league. When you get out in transition, there's nothing you can do to stop him. Handle getting better, jump shot getting better. He's gonna wreak havoc on the league for a while. And those are one of those plays you've seen from him that exemplifies what he does. Anthony Edwards, one of the...
There we go. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm thinking as far as years to come. Little investment here on somebody I think will continue to improve. A little bit more expensive than the other two I bought, but $20 isn't going to break the bank. I haven't got any of those game recognized game ones yet, so it's nice to pick that up. I would prefer probably the KD's commentary. I don't love, but anyway, I like this. I like this moment. Very happy to buy. All right, let's have one more look at it. Oh, punch. Punches that. All right. I noticed there's a little bit of a shortage of old moments. There we go. This is my collection. The 3 terrible ones I just got, and then the 3 I bought, which I'm happy about. Yeah, as I was saying, there's not that many for some of these older players. Let me see if I can grab some bargains there. I don't know if they'll continue to make more of the older players. I'm not sure what the go is with that. I'm looking for Chris Bosh. Here we go. So there's only 3 of them. Part of the vintage vibe set. Oh, I think people forget Chris Bosh at Toronto was a beast. 24-11 right before he went over to Miami. So dominant. I'm going to grab that. I love me some Chris Bosh. That's a nice play. Fandom. This, I don't know if this is my first vintage vibe set. Well, it should show me now, won't it? Processing. Boom. 2006. Look at his baby face. All right. That should be about done. Let's have a look. Okay. All done. One more. I've been watching his son play. He's been playing pretty well. Somebody who I had a soft spot for from back in the day, Mr. Kenyon Martin. There's only one and it's $3. Got to grab this. From the archive set, I think this might be my first. Oh yeah, that's a tough celebration. It's only $3. He was good in his day, 17 a game, 17 and 9. I remember there was a weird glitch in, I don't know, it must have been maybe NBA 2K or NBA Live 2005, where you just run with Kenyon Martin and he can dunk from anywhere, throw it down on anybody. It was like Omari Stoudemire. That's a nice dunk. I like that one. Grab a couple old ones. All right.